Welcome to Brainscapers with Brooks and Roots. I'm Roots. Today we're going to talk about the northern James pecan. This is a really cool tree in that it's a pecan that's hardy in zones 4 to 9, so southwest Ohio it's perfect for. It's cold hardy up through Ohio without any problem. This pecan will produce a smaller nut than the southern pecan, kind of a medium-sized nut with a thin shell. They're high in oils and unsaturated fat. It's a great food source. It was a huge food source for the first settlers that came in, but it was even a more important food source for the Native Americans. This tree will grow 40 to 50 feet tall and will eventually produce nuts. They actually will produce a handful as a smaller specimen, but as they mature, then the yield will go up considerably. They will flower in the springtime. Again, another pollination plant for the bees and native pollinators. And then the nuts are produced, and typically they're ready more in the fall, in the October-November time range. Native Americans would use the nut meat from this and ferment it for a drink called, and I'll probably butcher the name, pau corcora, which is also the name where the word hickory is derived from. Pecan was an Algonquin word for basically meaning that the nuts were hard enough that they needed to be broken with a hammer or a stone of some sort. But it was a very important food source for early Americans, and the nuts are a very important food source for turkeys, deer, and squirrels, of course. The other nice thing about the pecan is with the hybridization, you can actually grow pecans that would normally only be able to grow in the south. Now we can have them up here and add another layer of food to our gardens or landscape. The other nice thing about these hybridized pecans is it now allows us in southwestern Ohio to be able to grow hardy pecan in our home gardens and orchards, whereas normally you would think of this as a southern type of nut. So again, this is a James pecan. It's a hardy variety that works great in southwest Ohio, provides a great food source for wildlife and for us. Thank you for joining the Brainscapers with Brooks and Roots. We'll see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your favorite gardener. Have a great day.